what are five simple things that we can do prior to us practicing entrepreneurship? Are we talking about the 99 days of Christmas, day number YC? Yes. And that's what's the preparation of five entrepreneurial things that we can do in preparation for us stepping towards a new entrepreneurship destiny with the less burdensome, less pressure filled idea, which is, oh, well, you should, if you're trying entrepreneurship, that must mean that you want to be a billionaire. Is that true? Do you want to be a billionaire? And people are going to not necessarily drag you down, but maybe not exactly springboard you, which is it's an explosion, sorry. It's chapter 65 of Snowball, the Warren Buffett book that Alice wrote. Because the springboard is the dynamic that we'd like to have, but the real world is going to be a little bit more realistic, which is why on day YC of the 99 Days of Christmas, we're going into five things that we can do to to better prepare us for entrepreneurship, better prepare us for pressure-free entrepreneurship. And by pressure-free, I'm meaning a football terminology, which is running down a hill. Less pressure in that we're using gravity and momentum and physics to our advantage. In the same way that I'm taking advantage of the sun rising to provide light into my eyes to stimulate chemical creation, the way that it's magical of why do you need to get outside and get some sun? Here's five ways that we can practice entrepreneurship succinctly with no pressure, one to one, which is what reduces pressure. One, we're going to use pen and paper. We're not going to just use our smartphone. We're going to use pen and paper, and 2 minutes a day initially, we're going to write and address entrepreneurship in the most baby lemonade stand businessy type of way. Our phones make us slightly not smart. No, I'm not going to sing that song. Yes, okay, I'll sing it. My phone's not so smart, it's really just breaking my brain. And so, when we put pen to paper for the 50th time that I'm bringing this topic up, this is how to be an entrepreneur, pre entrepreneur, down the hill of practice entrepreneurship, but then let's all go get a super safe job doing something in engineering that we can ROTJ on, which is the second thing that we need to write down, because when we do things that are difficult now in our early mid 20s, later when we're in our late 30s or on the wrong side of 40, it'll be 99 days of Christmas. Number two, ROTJ. I'm not selling you retire on the job. I'm telling you that's what happens when you're a pretty good entrepreneur with a notebook that is commensurate with a journal that is of a person who's able to do tech and sales. So you want to do all the things that Elon Musk did when he was an undergrad, no pressure. It's just aerospace engineering. Michael Saylor. Aerospace engineering, Larry Chang. Semi-professional aerospace engineering, but chemical engineering, Steve Jurvetson. Semi-professional aerospace engineering, Tim Draper's business partner at DFJ. And you want to sell as well as Tim Draper, Larry Chang, and Shelby Sepp. Okay, maybe not, you're not going to sell as well as me. Okay, that's just impossible because hands down, I can outsell a hot girl, which is why I wrote the book on day X, my faux franchise, The Hot Girl Sales Club Bible by Larry Chang. Tech and sales, which is step 3, which is you can be a VC, you just don't get $300 million in LP money. But, and this is a giant and connector phrase, we can turn around a company and then have LPs throw money at us. How are we going to turn around a company? Welcome to day YC of the 99 Days of Christmas. Oh, I want to be a VC at YC. How do I do that? Guess what? You're going to need to turn around. I should just have this. I should just have this as a placard all the time up. Oh, I want to be a VC. How do I be a VC? Show me how to be a VC. Look, there's content on innovation and venture design at ASU under, oh wait, ASU hides it behind a wall. Don't worry, I'll get a school in the greater Palo Alto area to load up content on innovation and venture design. ASU's got this information as a degree, a Master in Science in Innovation and Venture Design. The class that is not at that class, because I know this for a fact, is Irv Grospek's class. Stram GT353, New Venture Creation. The innovation of being able to turn around a company that you don't own. The stalwart, big dick energy of being able to tell a board of directors what to do from outside of the board. Did I do that with Live Action Business Case Study 3366 Uber? Yeah. Did I do this at MicroStrategy prior to doing Live Action Business Case Study 1458? Hashtag Michael Strategy. Live Action Business Case Study 1459. Treasury operations. Zero coupon bond. No recourse. That's not a word salad. That is econ major. Word salad is econ major speak for I don't quite understand technical engineering. I don't quite understand that. Because word salad is not technical difficulties. Not that difficult. Word salad is